Welcome to Bitunix Academy. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to set and adjust your leverage for futures trading using the Bitunix app. Leverage allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. It is displayed as a ratio, such as 10 times or 50 times, and determines how much exposure you have compared to your margin. For example, using 10 times leverage means a 1,000 USDT margin controls a 10,000 USDT position. Higher leverage can increase potential profits, but it also increases risk, so use it carefully. Open the Bitunix app and go to the futures trading page. Tap the leverage button next to your trading pair. A pop-up window will appear. Move the slider or tap the plus and minus buttons to select your desired leverage level. You can also enter a specific number manually. Once you have chosen your leverage, tap Confirm to apply the setting. You can also adjust leverage for an open position. Go to the Positions tab and tap the leverage icon beside your active order. Move the slider or enter your preferred leverage value. For a consistent view, turn on Adjust Long and Short Leverage simultaneously, so both sides use the same leverage and the interface is easier to follow. When ready, tap Confirm to update your position. Tips on managing leverage effectively. Start with a lower leverage level if you are new to futures trading. Always monitor your margin level and liquidation price. Use stop-loss orders to manage risk and protect your funds. That's it! You've learned how to set and adjust leverage on the Bitunix app. Use leverage wisely to trade more effectively and manage your risk with confidence on Bitunix.